Squats every day for a month. A deep dive into the benefits, challenges, and considerations. Squats, the king of lower body exercises. They're praised for building muscle, boosting strength, and sculpting a toned physique. But what happens if you take the plunge and do squats every single day for a month? Is it a recipe for rock-solid glutes and stellar results? Or a one-way ticket to overtraining and injury? This comprehensive guide, Squats Every Day for a Month, delves into the world of daily squats, exploring the potential benefits, addressing the challenges, and offering practical tips and considerations for anyone contemplating this fitness challenge. Watch this video, Squats Every Day for a Month, till the end so you will gain a lot of knowledge on squats every day for a month. Demystifying the squat, a powerhouse exercise. Before diving into daily squats, let's establish a foundation, the squat movement. A squat typically involves lowering your body as if you're going to sit in a chair, keeping your back straight, core engaged, and heels flat on the ground. Variations exist, but this basic movement targets numerous muscle groups. Muscles worked. Squats primarily target your quadriceps, thighs, hamstrings, back of thighs, glutes, buttocks, and core muscles. Additionally, calves and lower back muscles are engaged in maintaining proper form. Benefits of squats. Regularly performing squats offers a multitude of benefits, including muscle building. Squats stimulate muscle growth in the lower body, leading to stronger, more defined legs and glutes. Improved strength. Squats build overall leg and core strength, translating to better performance in daily activities and other exercises. Enhanced bone density. Squats can help maintain and improve bone density in the lower body, reducing the risk of osteoporosis. Increased metabolism. Squats are a compound exercise, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups. This can boost your metabolism and aid in weight management. Improved balance and stability. Squats help develop balance and stability, reducing the risk of falls and enhancing overall coordination. Functional movement. Squats mimic a fundamental human movement pattern, making them highly functional for daily activities like standing up, sitting down, and lifting objects. The allure of daily squats, potential benefits of a month-long challenge. With the benefits of squats established, what might happen if you perform them daily for a month? Here's a look at some potential advantages. Accelerated muscle growth. Performing squats daily can potentially accelerate muscle growth in your lower body, leading to quicker results in terms of definition and strength gains. Enhanced endurance. Daily squats can improve muscular endurance, allowing you to perform more repetitions during workouts and potentially increasing your capacity for other activities. Improved movement patterns. Consistent practice can refine your squat technique and improve your overall movement patterns, benefiting not just squats but other exercises as well. Mental toughness. Completing a daily squat challenge can build mental fortitude and discipline, fostering a sense of accomplishment and boosting your confidence in other fitness endeavors. Breaking through plateaus. If you've plateaued in your lower body workouts, a daily squat challenge could provide the stimulus to break through and experience further progress. Important note, these are potential benefits, and individual results can vary depending on factors like your initial fitness level, training intensity, diet, and recovery practices. The shadow side, challenges and considerations of daily squats. Squats are fantastic, but daily practice comes with some potential challenges. Overtraining. Doing squats every day without sufficient rest can lead to overtraining, causing muscle fatigue, soreness, and potentially increased risk of injury. Plateaus. Continuously performing the same exercise without variation can lead to plateaus in progress. Your body adapts and muscle growth might stall. Reduced motivation. The monotony of daily squats can lead to decreased motivation and difficulty sticking with the challenge. Neglecting other muscle groups. Focusing solely on squats neglects other essential muscle groups for a balanced fitness routine. Increased injury risk. Improper form or inadequate recovery can lead to injuries like knee or lower back pain. Strategies for a successful daily squat. Challenge. Mitigate the risks, maximize the gains. If you're determined to embark on a daily squat challenge, here are some crucial strategies to mitigate risks and maximize your success. Start with a baseline. Assess your current squat form and strength. Begin with a manageable number of repetitions and gradually increase as you adapt. Prioritize form. Proper form is essential to prevent injury. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine, keeping your core engaged and ensuring your knees track over your toes. Listen to your body. Don't push through pain. Take rest days when needed, and adjust the intensity or number of repetitions based on your body's signals. Muscle soreness is normal, but sharp pain indicates potential injury. Take rest days and adjust the intensity or number of repetitions based on your body's feedback. Incorporate rest days. Even with daily squats, schedule rest days to allow your muscles to recover and rebuild. Aim for at least 1 to 2 rest days per week, strategically placed to allow recovery for the squat muscles. Progressive overload. To keep your body challenged and prevent plateaus, gradually increase the difficulty of your squats over time. This can involve increasing the number of repetitions, sets, or adding weight with body weight variations, or external weights like dumbbells or kettlebells. Prioritize sleep. Adequate sleep, 7 to 8 hours per night, is crucial for muscle recovery and overall health. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule to optimize your body's ability to adapt to the daily squat challenge. Fuel your body. Maintain a healthy diet rich in protein and essential nutrients to support muscle growth and repair. Proper nutrition is critical for optimal performance and recovery. Warm up and cool down. Always perform a dynamic warm-up before your daily squats to prepare your muscles and joints for movement. Additionally, incorporate a static cool-down stretch routine after your squats to improve flexibility and reduce muscle soreness. Variety is key. To avoid plateaus and maintain motivation, consider incorporating different squat variations throughout the month. Explore options like bodyweight squats, jump squats, Bulgarian split squats, goblet squats, and pistol squats. Track your progress. Keeping track of your progress can be motivating and provide valuable insights. Monitor the number of repetitions, weight used, and overall workout intensity. Use this data to adjust your program and ensure you're continuously challenging yourself. Listen to your needs. Don't be afraid to adjust the challenge based on your individual needs. If daily squats feel overwhelming, consider a squat challenge every other day or incorporate them into your existing workout routine. Beyond the squats, building a balanced fitness routine. While squats are a fantastic exercise, a well-rounded fitness routine considers other muscle groups. While performing squats every day, consider incorporating exercises for upper body. Push-ups, rows, pull-ups, overhead presses, and core exercises like planks or crunches. Core. A strong core is essential for proper squat form and overall stability. Include dedicated core exercises in your routine or focus on engaging your core throughout your squat workouts. Cardio. Don't neglect cardiovascular health. Include activities like running, swimming, cycling, or HIIT for improved heart health and overall fitness. By incorporating these exercises, you create a well-rounded program that addresses different aspects of your fitness and reduces the risk of injury from over-reliance on squats. Conclusion: squats every day for a month, a calculated challenge. So, should you do squats every day for a month? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. It depends on your fitness level, goals, and recovery capacity. For beginners, daily squats might be too demanding and lead to overtraining. However, experienced athletes with a solid foundation and a well-designed plan might find success with this challenge. Here's the key takeaway: prioritize proper form, listen to your body, incorporate rest days, adjust the challenge as needed, and ensure a balanced training program that includes other muscle groups and cardiovascular activity. With the right approach, a daily squat challenge can be a rewarding experience that accelerates your lower body development and fosters mental toughness. Remember, consistency is key. Whether you choose daily squats or a modified program, consistent training and a focus on good form are the pillars of success. Embrace the challenge, prioritize recovery, and fuel your body to maximize your gains. The world of squats awaits. Thanks for watching this video. Squats every day for a month.